We had one here.
Mr. President, I'm sure you are aware about the situation in Bahrain. It has been for many weeks now. Carnage is there. People are really cannot go out, and they are suffering a lot without any attention from the Security Council. What does it take for the Security Council to pay some attention to the situation there?
For the moment, I guess the most bureaucratic answer that I could tell you is that no member of the Security Council has brought the topic to the table or has proposed to put the topic on the agenda. You know, really, I think none of the 15 members has done it so far.
Why doesn't France do that, for example?
Because, you know, again, we are the Security Council is in charge of international peace and security. You know, as you know, there are a lot, unfortunately, a lot of internal situations which are not perfect in terms of human rights, and that the UN either doesn't want to can't intervene. You remember, for instance, Sri Lanka, where 30,000 people died, and the Security Council didn't intervene, whatever some countries wanted. So I guess that on Bahrain, I think that the 15 members of the Security Council consider that what is happening in Bahrain is not threatening international peace and security. It's certainly what France considers, and that it's better to work on the situation through bilateral relations with the state of Bahrain. My country has a dialogue with the state of Bahrain and has called the Bahraini authorities to restore a political dialogue to solve the crisis. I don't know why. I don't see what the Security Council, frankly, could do. You see immediately that there is a strong difference between a country where you have a civil war, basically, with all the consequences it can have beyond the borders of this country. It's the case of Libya. You have the case of Syria, with a country where you have internal problems. It's quite different.
We have a humanitarian crisis there in Bahrain, and it seems the state is not paying attention to that.
As for the humanitarian crisis in Bahrain, I think that's to watch out, to draw our attention. And as far as I have heard, no. People can complain about the political situation, but again, humanitarian situation, nobody has drawn the attention of the UN to the humanitarian situation in Bahrain.